Beautiful day after it's been raining for nearly a week. I've just been pruning this jackfruit over here because it's going too tall and it's reaching that power line, so I need to keep it slightly low. But I've done it before a few months ago, but it's grown so quick. This jackfruit, I've just grown them from seed. I just leave it here and it's just grown. So yeah, also trying to harvest all the chilies around the garden as well. This lemongrass gone wild. All of this chilies that need to be harvested. Lots of chili. Here we go. This lime tree that I've just grown from seed as well. I think it's grown a bit since I put it in the ground, because it's got this shade from these banana trees. This tamarind has been grafted from a tree, but it's grown a lot since then. So this cassava, oh my goodness, it's here, look. It's need to get out of the ground, but I haven't really got time to do that. Also this sha'om and some more chilies, sha'om, bananas. This cassava has been grafted as well. Start to flower already, look. It's only small still. So this eggplant is hanging on to dear life, but give out some fruit. I put this mangosteen in a few months ago instead of durian that die out from the dry season. So it's got some new leaf, which hopefully it will stay. All of this stuff, lots of chili, papaya. This variety is good for papaya salad. It's not tough. It's got long long fruit as well. This dragon fruit just planted a few months ago. It's grown a bit mad, but I like to train it to go up this pole here, but it's going that way. I don't know why. This is Dala flower. There were festival about this flower just a few months ago. We've been to in I think it was in Bana Sinakarin. It's a part of Pa'alung anyway. More of this papaya. This is like lychee. This pineapple has gone wild. More chili. Then this one, you have it with as a side dish, as a salad. You can eat the flower as well. I want to check on this lime tree if it's still alive. It is still alive. It's grown quite a bit since then as well. This cassava just gone wild because of the rain, and still thingy underneath it. And this is the I don't know how to say this one. A bit like soursop fruit. I planted soursop here before, but it's dead, it's died. So I got this one instead because my neighbor grown it and it's going well. So I just want to give this a try. It's more chilly again. And outside the fence, over there is all durians. Some of them are died, some of them still alive. Because I just burned out the water pump. Over there, that water pump over there from the well. I just left it on overnight. It's dead. Kill it. So I've got this one as well. It's vanilla plant. Hopefully it's going to flower because it's supposed to be in the shed. And this is my dog, beautiful Dot. How are you, Dot? You okay? So yeah, this is mangoes. Oops, rubbish. It's been windy and all the rubbish is blown everywhere. Oh, this is my pride and joy. So happy about this. So I've grown this durian, and I'm not sure what this one is. Probably graton seed. So I grown this durian from seed, which I got from my auntie house. So it's give out some leaf already, and also some jackfruit that I propagated from a seed that I ate. Oh, some of the tree died. I don't know why. I know what that is. Hopefully it's jackfruit. So yeah, that's my pride and joy. But I killed this one. It's supposed to be for the fence. Yeah. And on this side, it's got this papaya. It's looking amazing. It's all from seed. Never intended to grow this. It's just grown wild by itself. It's got some flower, some cactus, some rambutan over there, which we had fruit from the last few weeks, but it's all nearly gone now. I've got one here, which is I think overripe, or maybe it's still alright. I'll try it anyway. So it's still okay. Got this beautiful orchid. Give out the flower. Beautiful. So this orchid give out the flower. So hopefully, finger crossed, that my vanilla is going to flower here as well, because it's a type of orchid really. So these bananas, I didn't think it's gonna grow at all. I thought it was dead, but it just shoot out. And then I've got this galanga. Before it was big, but now it's just quite small. This flower bed. All of this. Excuse me, sorry, composting. This kaffir lime leaf gone wild, nearly touching the power line, so that is not good. I have to prune it. So this grass is supposed to be really good for you. so good for you. The root should be good enough to show you what it looked like, because the soil is still soft because of the rain. See if I can get one up. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's it. My plant is somewhere else. Another jackfruit over there. And also black pepper.